area dito, guys. Ito pala yung mga trucks, guys, ng Skyline Luge. They have 4 different trucks. Ang longest truck is the yellow. No, green pala. Best choice for first ride. This one, the yellow one. Jungle daw. Itong bandang to. Expedition. So, tatlo dyan matatry natin, guys. Alright, guys.
Ayaw na yung nauyin na. Dikit mo, pairap. Yan. Baraw Peaks. Papasakayin lang tayo na nakaupo.
Go!
Aí, DJ, agora sim, é pra esculachar.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Check me out. Check me out. At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Come with it. Come with it. Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?
You never thought we'd go to war after all the things we saw. It's April Fool's Day.
What time is it?
Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb.
Let's go, love.
Hi! Yin! Yin, kaway ka!
Go, up! Bilis, bilis! Go, 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 go!
daw, Billy. Billy. Right again.
Let's go! Ah.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to 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 catch me riding dirty. They can see me lean, I'm tense, so it ain't easy to be seen. When they see me ride by, they can see the gleam. I shine on the deck in the TV screen. Ride with a new chick, she like cola. Next to the PlayStation controller. If a full trip, then I'm gon' show ya. Send a jacker into a coma. Girl, you ain't on crazy like Crazy Bone. Tryna make your money, tryna have no babies. Ride clean as well, so I pull in ladies. Laws on patrol, and you know they hate me. Music turn all the way up into the maximum. I got speakers, some boys try to jack for some, but we packing something that we have for We'll have a player locked up in the maximum security cell. I'm gripping O. Music loud and I'm tipping slow. T steady twisting like hit this small. Police pulling right behind while we sitting low. The windows down, gotta stop pollution. City change boys like who is that producing? That's the plan skills when we out and cruising. Got warrants in every city except Houston, but I still ain't losing. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding.
様喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプアランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうリジナル VIP
Many, many diamonds dangling. Bag full of money, we strangling. Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me. All the above, cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem. Because me professional. Make you shake your cats, thank you. Haters take it personal.
Like a Canada tight heads out nail drop on let's go not not my money let's all hot such kitchen over let's go to heal level up on level color let's go 20万個じゃない2個入力する私のペンポイント
I wonder if you know, how did it be Tokyo? If you seen it, then you mean it, then you know you have to go.
Hi, 私テリヤキボーイズあっという間吹き飛ばすノイズ慢心してますんでゲットペンの数も増えてますベーシックはサプライズでマジ毎日が危ないぜ忍者風賢者風だけどゲイシャフェイクの惑星からのシャ
See me in the parking lot 7-Eleven is the spot Bikes with wings and shiny things and lions, tigers, bears
Okay guys, tapos na kami sa Skyline Lodge. Titignan namin yung mga pictures nila.
Enjoy!
Ah,
Ay, nakatakot mo ka, Askaso.
yung Skyline Lodge sa mukha. Ayun no.
Loko yun. Ako yan, ako yan. Really ah. Ang galing ni Papa.
Tiger yun.
Hindi nakakaruan.
Guys, oh. Sige.
Papang mamang.
JM.
Sakto pala
Guys,
kami
enjoy
oh.
kami.
Yan mo
Saya.
kuya, itag natin si JM.
JM.
Ikaw ginaya
Tokayo,
namin.
Tokayo.
Ikaw ginaya namin.
Tokayo,
Mamang.
nakita ka namin dito, Tokayo. Ginaya namin. Hashtag JM recommends.
JM recommends. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, JM, for the recommendation. Ang saya dito.
Oo, ayos.
Guys. Please.
Ay, mabilis.
Go, go, go! Okay guys, sa Madam Tusod na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa Skyline Lodge.
Lakbalan, ano nun.
Hey guys, how many of you?
6 for this one.
Okay, just to let you know,
Well, bigay. Siya eh.
Picture tayo sa pinakalolo.
Ah.
Madam Tusod si Papa.
Tara.
Aga.
Tara, muna.
Ano kami? Ano tayo? Attendance. Ito pangalan mo. Yan show.
Lulog.
Ay, hindi mo kasi sinuot sa manggas pala eh. Kaya pala sabi ko ayaw.
Speech choir.
Pero tabi ka dito ah. Sino yan? Eh, sige. Sinchay ang totoong tao.
Alamin ko sino ang wax
Tapos bulungan
figure
mo
sa
kumari.
totoo.
Bulungan mo. Bulungan mo. Bulungan mo. Kamusta? Pakobi. Doon sa tenga niya.
Kung ano yung itsura niya.
Ano yan? Singapore.
Hindi yung itsura dati ng SD?
Yung Raffles.
Yung mga building nila. Raffles yung RT. Sa Raffles pala yun eh. Diyan dito.
55 na yan na sa
Oldest departments.
Roads.
School. Bawal miga. Marian do ko. Bukang po sino ko. Get over here daw. How much ka daw yan?
Wala lang nag-ano lang ata sila.
Oo nga, narami.
Nakatake lang yan. Sino nung barbero mo, te?
Picture tayo.
Ba't naman ganyan?
Ng likod.
50% yan ah.
Dito tayo kunyari ano natin sila. Sino picture nga?
Tapos nahulog, no? Lumusot.
Don't make me angry daw. Uy, nagtatampo ka daw. Huwag ka na daw magtampo.
Hindi ko mag-arte ka. Ano ba? Cheers tayo. Cheers. Ano naman oh.
Get a job daw. Meron pa siya. Meron pa.
Gilang nagsasalita eh.
Apa kabar? I heard you are new here.
Hindi ko pwede mo.
Sumukumandong. Kumandong.
Isis na yung kunyari ano mo, ganun ka. Hindi ako katas ka ano ka, ganun ka.
Kumandong. Yung kaluluwa niya sumama sa'yo.
Go. Andito dapat siguro
Singapore. Ito na. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Si Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong.
Kamusta ka naman dyan?
Kamukha ni Pearl.
Ikaw pa. Ikaw. Go.
Kung yung itlog. Ganun din. Pwede ba hawakan yun? Itlog.
Gago. Sinapa. Si Mahatma Gandhi. Si Barack Obama.
Ganda na ko kaya no.
Si Barack. Ang takad pala niya ba? Mr. Barack Obama, the former president of the United States. Si Muhammad Ali. Cristiano Ronaldo. Si Yao Ming. Tako di Yao Ming, oh. Grabe yung laki ni Yao Ming, no? Tignan mo. Oh. Si Yao. Buhay pa ba si Muhammad Ali? Si Serena Williams. Galing. Picture mo daw siya. Serena Williams. Si Yao Ming, guys, ang laki. Grabe, oh. Ang tangkad. Hanggang ano lang ako. Hanggang utong lang ako ni Yao Ming, guys. Hanggang utong. Kamay ni Michael Jackson. Ang liit naman ng kamay ni Michael Jackson. Ang liit. Alin? Hindi, yung kabila yun. Ito, Jackie Chan. Ang liit na kamay ni Jackie Chan. Si Jet Li. Ay, siya na pala. Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee. Jackie Chan, guys. Marie Tussauds. Kaya siya yung...
Siya yan?
Ito.
Ikaw pala yun.
Siya yung nag-ano ng wax. Yung nag-umpisa na.
Oo, nagsimula niya.
Ano?
Galing.
Madame Marie Tussauds is born Anna Marie Rosals in France. Stanberg, France pala siya. Manilin Reyes. Wait lang. Ano to? IG story to, ah. Go. Bike ka. Oh, suga dun. Go. Hindi, nakala naman yun. Go. 1, 2, 3. Coach Leia. 1, 2. Ako rin, picture mo doon. Dua Lipa. Dream and believe. Survive. Starstruck. Try this. Napa-photo. Dua Lipa. Go. Jackson, guys. Ang una nating in-idol na musician. Mga loopers to. Ano si George nasa likod?
Your husband is coming.
Pati HS na ano nyo, na singsing. Pati yung tattoos niya guys, kompleto. Ganda. Holding me back. Holding me back. Tara, apa tayo? Dali. Easy.
Natin. Ano?
Ay, no. Dali.
Go, go, go.
Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was. As it was. No, it's not the same. Harry, you're not alone. Sinayawan! 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 Oh! Hindi. Ayun na ulit. It's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same. As it was. No, it's not the same as it was. As it was. As it was. Yay! Bye-bye, Harry. February 1, 1994. Sino ka ba? Retake. Si Zendaya. Oo. Zendaya.
Sexy na.
Lit lang pala ni Black Widow. Zendaya, Coleman, and Scarlett Johansson. Okay, we're done na with the Madame Tussauds. Ang ganda ng Marvel movie guys. 4D siya. Mag-enjoy ang mga bagets dito. Blackpink, pero wala namang Blackpink dito. Michael Jackson. Madame Tussauds, we recommend. Let's go. Maganda ba sa Madame Tussauds, guys? Sulit, sulit. Sulit. Baba na ulit tayo, papunta na ulit tayo ng Imbia Station. Pabalik ng Vivo City. Dito tayo galing kanina, guys. Okay, papunta na tayo ng Chinatown. Sorry guys, hindi ko na natuturo sa inyo yung way ng mga pinupuntahan natin. No? Madali lang naman siyang i-search sa Maps if you're using iPhone. And then Google Maps if you're using Android. Straightforward lang naman yung mga train lines and bus lines dito. No? Hindi ka mahihirapan pag navigate. I-check mo lang yung mga maps na apps sa inyong phone. And marami naman siyang signage guys. Hindi ka na mahihirapan. Balik dito guys, kahit saan pumunta, hindi ka mahihirapan. Hindi mo kailangang isipin kung gagabihin ka, ganyan. Wala kang guys. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa Lucky Chinatown. Dito tayo kakain at bibili ng konting pasalubong. No? So, ini-squeeze in natin sa isang araw yung marami nating na-miss na places kasi last day na natin dito eh. Di pa ako napunta dito ngayon pa lang. So ayan, marami siyang pasalubong guys. Pwede kang mamili dito. Ganda rin pala eh, parang yung ladies market sa ano,
Ladies market.
sa Hong Kong.
Mahal pa.
Sige, hanap na tayo.
Ano te? Dito ako. Uuwi na kami. Nahabol namin yung ano, yung Jewel Changi Airport. Ayan guys, oh, sarap oh. Ano, may rice. Tignan mo kung mura. Tignan natin guys kung mura dito o mapapamura tayo. Ito yung mga tinda nila. Ang ganda. Ang dami palang tinda dito guys. Ngayon lang kami nakapunta kasi madami kaming pinuntahan. Nag-ano lang kami ngayon. Dumaan lang kami para bago kami umuwi. Yan, ang daming food choices like this. Ay, taray. Yan, ang ganda. Wakaton. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan. Na mura-mura lang. Ito oh! Ayan oh, try nyo. Tignan nyo. Ito ang dadaan. Souvenir shop. And everything. Madami palang tinda dito. Saan tayo? Blue. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda guys. Punta kayo dito. Ito, ang cute ng mga tinda oh. Baho. Ludur yan. So, ganda. Asian home.
Okay guys, dito muna kami sa 7-Eleven para mabilis ang kain. Kasi we're running out of time. Marami pa tayong pwedeng puntahan. Pupunta pa kasi tayo ng Singapore Flyer para hindi tayo mag-goal sa oras. Mabilis ang kain. Ito po ang aming food. Let's eat this one, 7.
Open packaging.
Oo, slightly daw sabi. Lalagpasan na natin tong mga shops dito sa Chinatown kasi nakabili na rin naman tayo ng mga food trip at mga pasalubong, no. Hindi natin kailangan tumigil kasi nag-aabol tayo ng oras. It's currently 3:30. Magsi-Singapore Flyer pa tayo, no. So, mga 6 na tayo makabalik ng hotel and 7 PM na tayo makapunta ng Changi Airport. So, baka hindi natin maabutan ng may liwanag yung pinaka-Changi Airport. I mean yung Jewel, yung Vortex doon, no? So tara, let's try our best para makapunta doon ng may araw pa. Bilisan natin. So ngayon papunta na tayo sa Singapore Flyer and di ko na kayo sasama sa train ride natin, no? Punta na tayo sa Singapore Flyer ng diretso. Pagpitig ko, nandun na tayo. Okay, nandito na tayo guys sa taas na Singapore Flyer. Let's go!
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same.
Guys, nandito na tayo sa Jewel at Changi Airport, no? Kakarating lang natin and magagala-gala na lang tayo ng konti and kakain dahil 1:50 pa naman ang ating flight, pero balik na tayo ng Terminal 4 ng 10:50 para mag-check-in ang ating luggage. So dito ko na tatapusin ang ating Singapore series, no? Hopefully na-enjoy nyo ang ating vlog. Panoorin nyo pa kami, subscribe rin kayo sa channel namin para for more travel videos, no? So yun lang, subscribe sa channel. Peace out.